CTEK makes some of the nicest battery chargers on the market, and naturally, I found a way to break mine. Warranty Check is a segment on the channel where I test the warranty of various brands to see if these companies actually stand behind the products that they sell. Now, I've had my CTEK battery chargers for years, and they've always been great. Until they weren't. On one particular charger, when I hooked up to a battery, I could toggle between the battery charger's modes just fine. But the charging status light never came on, and when it came to charging the battery, it wasn't working. By lightly tapping the unit on the ground, I could get the charging status light to flicker on, but it still wasn't charging the battery. These chargers come with a 5-year warranty, so I emailed the company and told them what was happening. Customer support responded very quickly, and they gave me 2 troubleshooting tips to try out. Tip number 1 was to clean the clamps and battery terminals of the battery that I was trying to charge. That seemed like a lot of work for me, so I just grabbed a different car, which was a brand new Subaru. Look at that clean engine bay. This thing had less than 1,000 miles, so I knew the battery was good. But when I hooked up the charger, the same problem persisted. Now, the second tip was to change the clamps out with a different one of my CTEK chargers to see if those were maybe the faulty component. I did that, but same problem. To send the charger in for diagnostic work, all you have to do is fill out the form on the website, box up your charger, and send it to the address listed. Pretty easy. Oh, and you need a receipt or a proof of purchase of some kind. More on that in a second. I sent in my faulty charger, and within a week, I had a rebuilt charger back from them. It was indeed my same battery charger housing, but they had actually taken it apart and replaced the complete charging leads, which is actually pretty cool. The rebuilt charger worked perfectly, and the charge status light came on and functioned exactly the way it should. And it actually charged the battery now. Awesome. Everything was working great. However, I needed a proof of purchase for this whole warranty to happen. And luckily, I bought my charger on Amazon, so getting the proof of purchase was as simple as going into the order history, doing a search for battery chargers, and bam, it was right there. But if I had bought this product in an auto parts store, or if I paid cash in person for it somewhere, I'd be completely out of luck. I don't save receipts from stuff that I bought 4 years ago, and I shouldn't have to either. As a customer, I feel that holding the broken tool in my hands is proof enough that I own it. The warranty should be based off the manufactured date, which is easily verifiable based off the serial number. If the tool is under warranty, it should be warranted. Simple as that. Making a customer dig through their records to prove that they did indeed actually buy the product that they said they did seems like an extra hoop to jump through that's completely unnecessary. All right, my rant is over. CTEK passes the warranty check with flying colors. I got my part rebuilt, I'm back in action, and I will continue to recommend CTEK products because they are awesome and the company stands behind their warranty. If you like this video, I've got more like it. You can click into one of the links here and subscribe to the channel for more content coming soon.